I thank Dr. Narsai Garu and also the organizers for honoring me on this very important occasion. Dear friends, as our orthopedic surgeon said, now we are in a stage of giving. In our Ahi hospital, every Tuesday we are doing free cataract operations for the people who are coming from the rural areas and urban slums. Apart from this, I am also running a school for the visually challenged with 550 visually challenged children coming from all over the country, and every child in our school get free food, education and accommodation. The most of the students who have studied in our school are working as professional officers in the banks, studying in national law schools, working in state government and central government and also private. Once we all thought the visually challenged is a burden to the family, society and also to the country. But with proper education and our treatment to them like any normal child, today they have become productive and contributing economy to the country, and they are no longer a burden. Even the family is benefited by education of the visually challenged. With these few words, I request all members, if you come across in a blind child, please do not show any sympathy to them, but please direct them to my school where we provide everything free. We don't take anything from the parents, but we give proper education, love and care, and see that they become useful citizens in the society. I once again thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to come to this function and being honored and also able to express the work done to the society. Thank you.